Hi, this is Phalla from khmertutor.com. I am here today to teach you how to read Khmer language. Today's lesson is to review Khmer vowel or series. So, do you remember Khmer vowel can be in front of the consonant, after the consonant, below the consonant, above the consonant, and around the consonant. You ready? Now, repeat after me. Sra A, Sra E, Sra A, Sra E, Sra E, Sra O, Sra O, Sra U, Sra A, Sra U, Sra I, Sra E, Sra I, Sra I, Sra Ao, Sra Au, Sra 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 Am, Sra A, Sra O, Sra E, Sra A. Okay, now one more time. Repeat after me. Hey, don't forget like and subscribe my video so that it make me happy make more lesson for you. Thanks. A, E, I, O, O, U, A, Ư, I, E, I, Ao, Ảo, Am, A, O, E, A. Great. Thank you for watching my video and don't forget like, subscribe and comment. See you next lesson. Bye.